Hello, good morning students. On behalf of Vdvs online studies, I am welcoming you in this online studies. Okay, and today we are going to start our next topic in science portion that we have already started in the standard 8 science, and that will be we have started the chapter called light. And today we are going to discuss another topics in that chapter, and that will be the dispersion of light that we are going to understand in today's lecture. But before we going to start that next topic, let us take a brief preview on what we have studied so far in this lecture. So first thing that we have studied in this lecture is called the light. Basically light is made up of the particles. Okay, we can say that it's an electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so we cannot visualize the light, but we can experiencing so much phenomena due to this light. Okay, basically we have seen the two types of object, luminous object and non-luminous object. The luminous objects are the objects which is producing the light, while the non-luminous objects are the objects which are not producing the light. And that is also things that we have already discussed in the previous lecture. After that, we have started the topic regarding so many things, that how can we see the objects in the room. So if a room is darkened enough, then we cannot visualize the object because there is no light present on that room. After that, we have seen that if we want to see the object, then it must be light come to that object, and after that it will reflect towards the human eye. Then and then only can be the object is be visualized. Otherwise, the object cannot be visualized. So for visualizing these object things, we'll need to understand the lightning phenomena, and different lightning phenomena is happened in this atmosphere, in this universe. Okay, so in that the phenomena are which happening due to the lights are called as a reflection, a refraction, atmospheric refraction, Tyndall effects. So many phenomena that has been occurred by this light. Into that we have seen in the previous lecture that light is doing a phenomena called reflection, in which we have seen that if a ray of light that is come on the surface of smooth surface, it will reflect to the other direction, or it will reflect. Okay, it will be bouncing back into the same medium that we have already completed in the previous lecture. So that type of topic we have already done, already finished, and we have seen the laws regarding the reflections, that how can we presume these laws of reflection, that we have already discussed in the previous lecture. Okay, so today we are going to start another topic, and that will be the topic called the dispersion of light. That is our topic. Okay, today's our topic is. And what is the dispersion of light? So first thing that we are understanding is the dispersion means what? So we have heard the word that there is no such a color is being made up of. These all colors are made up of these single color, white color. So white color is basically a universal color. From that the 7 color is made up of. Okay, and what are that 7 colors that we are going to understand? And due to the because we have seen that the sunlight is come into the form of a white light. Okay, so we can presume that it is and come in the white light form. So it is a white light basically. So why can we see the objects are surrounding us has a different color? So there is a phenomena called wherever this reflection is happened, then when a 7 light is come onto that object, white light is come onto that object, whatever the color is made up of that object is being reflected, and all the other color gets absorbed. See, for example, if we want to take the example, we'll take a little bit of black color so that you can understand. So as we are discussing that if an object's color is, maybe we can take green color. Let us take a green color. Okay. So we have heard the word that a light is a white light. White light has 7 colors in it. If we refract the white light, okay, if we refract or if we reflect, the white light is getting refract into the 7 colors, okay, that we are going to understand in today's lecture. But just we want to understand the topic that why can we see the different color in this universe. So for that we are understanding this, okay. So if a white light of 7 colors is come onto the green colors object, then what happens? Generally all the colors gets absorbed. All the other color gets absorbed into that object, but a green color is reflected. And where it gets reflected, it goes to human eye. Okay? So that's how you can see the object as a green color, because the green color is the only color is reflecting towards the human eye. All the other colors are getting absorbed into that object. So that's the phenomena that we should understand. Okay? Sorry, but there is some technical error, so that's why your screen gets whitened due to the whiteness of the brightness of the video. Okay, but still we are discussing another time that the white light, whatever the white light, as you are seeing on the screen earlier, that the white light is come onto the object. If the object, why we can see the object as a different color? So it is only because the white light is made up of the 7 colors. Into that all the colors are getting absorbed, and after that a green color is reflected towards the human eye, and it will be visualized to us that it is a green, it has a green color. So it's a very simple concept. For another topic, let us take a brown color. Okay, sorry, let us take a red color so that you can all understand. If object is made up of a red color, then what happened? If a white light comes onto that object, then all the other colors gets absorbed, while only the red color from that 7 colors, it will be get reflected to the human eye, and that's why we can see the object has a red color. That is very easy concept to understand. Okay. Now let us discuss the topic called the dispersion of light. We will change the color of the marker. Now what is the dispersion? The first thing that we have to understand is what is dispersion. So the parts, if we do the fraction, if we cut down the white light into so many parts, if we fracted the white light into some parts, that will be called the basically dispersion. Dispersion means to divide. Okay. Now, if we divide a white light by the refraction, so another word that is come in our mind is that what is refraction, sir? You haven't told us that what is the refraction. So, as we are discussing that a word come that in our mind is refraction. So, you are thinking that, sir, you haven't told us what is the meaning of the refraction. But to understanding the word refraction, the first thing that we have to revise is the reflection that we have already completed in the previous lecture. So basically what is the reflection? So when I think you are not being able to see that. Okay, so we change the color. Now when a lighting ray is come and if it bounces back in the same medium, okay, if the lighting ray is come onto a same medium, we have drawn a perpendicular line that is called as a normal. Okay, we have seen that it is making some kind of angle. Okay, we have also understand the laws regarding the reflection. We have completed that all these things in the previous lecture. Now we are going to discuss is if what happened when this lighting ray is change the medium. What happened during that? We have understand if the lighting ray bounces back in the same medium, then what happened? But we haven't seen what happened when this lighting ray goes to the another medium. Okay, that's the phenomena that we are going to understand. So when we change the medium of lighting ray of light, for that we are going to understand that. Wait a second. See, wherever we are making these online lectures, we'll have to check that out. This lecture is continuously going on or not. The recording is it stopped? Okay, so that's why we'll have to take a moments of time. Okay, I will giving you an exam. I have given you the explanation that why we have to do that. Okay. So now we are discussing as that. For understanding this as an easy concept, we have to understand that whenever we are throwing the, suppose we have a laser light with us. If we throw the laser light from this air's medium to the swimming pool, what happened? This laser light is changing its medium. Okay, see, suppose we are throwing a laser light like this into the swimming pool. Okay, so what happened to this laser light? The ray of light goes to the first air's medium. Okay, because it is an air medium. Okay, then it goes to the water's medium. So water is another medium that is being considered. Okay, now we have considered the second medium as a water. So what happened into that? The ray of light goes to the first medium to the second medium. Then there is a phenomena. Something happened. Now we are understanding that. So whenever, let us take a color, change the color. Now the ray that has to go like this, okay, in a straight path. Okay, whatever the lighting ray we have made up of, this lighting ray has to go like this in a straight path, but it does not happen actually. Actually, the lighting ray is bent like this. Okay, it sometimes it will bend towards the normal, sometimes it bends away to the normal. This phenomena is happened. And that bending of light, it has to go like this in a straight path, but it does not go. When we change the medium for the ray of light, it will bend something. Okay, it will bend towards the normal or bend away to the normal. Bend towards means it goes to like this, and bend away means it goes like this. Okay, so something of bending phenomena is happened. And that bending of phenomena is considered as a refraction. Now we have to write the definition for that. So, the bending phenomena of light while changing of medium is called as refraction. Okay, that is very easy now. You all can understand it now. Another thing, bending phenomena of light changing the medium is called refraction. These are the bullet points that you can easily memorize, and if you are easily memorize that, then you can memorize this definition very easily. You can meet it out in your own word because this is very easy. So the bending of phenomena, bending means to movement of a phenomena, okay, it will bend in an angle. Okay, on an angle, some angle, it will not goes in a straight line, so it will be called as a bending phenomena of light while we change the medium is called the refraction. Okay, now this refraction phenomena has to taken to understand this topic, dispersion of white light. Okay, now let us erase that. Okay, all these things. Okay. I hope you all are understanding these topics, okay, because it is very easy. But for the understanding of the okay, wait a second for a moment. Okay, so now the white light is, we have understand that the white light is basically made up by 7 colors. Okay, so these 7 colors are called as a spectrum. Basically it is called as an electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, but the spectrum is what a combination of 7 things is called as a spectrum. Now we have considered the 7 colors into one, that is why it is called the spectrum. Okay, so basically whatever the things that we are presumed and that we are added and that we are combined as a group of 7, it will be called the spectrum. So in this we have heard the word that the spectrum is made of a 7 color. So what are that 7 color? How can we identify that the 7 color is made up of, and what is the first color, what is the last color, what is the color that is lies between them, okay, or whatever the color is coming over here, we haven't see that. And so understanding this white light is made up of a 7 color, we have to understand the phenomena called the dispersion of light. Now the dispersion phenomena, understanding the dispersion phenomena, we have to do the phenomena called the refraction. Okay, so we are doing the 2 refractions phenomena. For that we are taking an example. Let us take an example. We will take a prism. Okay, so we'll take prism. Onto that we are throwing into that throwing a white light. So we have understand that when we throw the light, and if the light is changing the medium, if the ray of light change the medium, what happened to that? It will bend towards the, or it will bend. Okay, we have understand that it will bend. Okay, we'll change the color. Still it is not visualized. Let us take black color. I think black color is very much useful. Okay. So look, it has to go like this in the straight path, but it does not go in a straight path. It will bend. Okay, and then another time that is it is going to bend. Okay, another time it is going to bend because still a medium is changed. Okay, so basically what happened here is the 2 refraction is happened. The first refraction is happened over here, okay, from the air to prism, and now prism to air. Okay, so basically a 2 refraction is happened. Okay, and due to this two refraction, what happened? Then this lightning ray is considered to be divided into a 7 colors. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will do another. So this 7 colors it will be divided, and these 7 colors are write like that: VIBGYOR, and in a simple term it will be called as a Vdvs. Okay, it will be called as a Vdvs. Now what is, you are thinking that sir, what is this Vdvs? So Vdvs means V for whatever this color is made up of, it is called violet, this is called indigo, this is called blue, this is called green, this is called yellow, this is called orange, this is called red. Okay, I will write all the colors. Okay, I will write all the colors here. Okay, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, these are called the Vdvs. Okay, so basically this is called the spectrum. Ready? Okay, I think now you are understanding that whenever this white light is come on an object, what happened? All these colors, whatever, see, suppose this color is as a red color. Okay, so all the colors from this is getting absorbed. Besides that, a red color is get reflected to the human eye. Okay, now I think all of you are understanding the topic. So that's it for today. Okay, this is the only one question that I have to explain because it is very much important. Okay, now for the homework, question 1 and only, explain the phenomena, explain the dispersion of white light through prism. Okay, so we'll meet in the next online lecture. I hope all of you are enjoying these online studies. Okay, we'll very soon meet in the school. Okay, till then, bye bye everyone, and take care of yourself and take care of your parents also. Wear your mask. Okay, compulsory. Sanitize your hands. Okay, our situation is getting better and better every day, but still we'll have to take a precautions for our health also. Okay, so take care of your parents and take care of yourself. We'll meet in our next lecture. Bye bye.